Yeah, one thing them can say about Justice Sound, man. Become innovative, always creative. Check this out. But in all things we put Jah first. Some look evil song boy, reverse. What the justice do with them? Gonna thank you for the blessings in my life. And I thank you for the justice sound tonight. Yeah, yeah. And Jah, I wanna thank you for all you say or do. Yes, I thank you for the justice sound so true, Lord. And I thank you for the dub plates that he play. Justice rule dance all every night and day, yeah, yeah. And Jah, I wanna thank you for all you say or do. Yes, I thank you for the justice sound so true. I wanna thank you, Lord, from the depth of my heart. I thank you, Lord, I thank you, Jah, for justice on that place for me. Wanna thank you, Lord, from the depth of my heart. I thank you, Lord, I thank you, Jah, for justice on that place for me. And I thank you for my fans and family. I thank you for the roots reality, yeah, yeah. And Jah, I wanna thank you for all you say or do. Yes, I thank you for the justice sound so true. I wanna thank you, Lord, from the depth of my heart. I thank you, Lord, I thank you, Jah.
Every song got a stitch, you hear that? Up, Mother Road, with Diamond.
Alright. Bless up Fort Lauderdale, man. Them said some clash and go on. I don't know why we should have started. I give the elder the respect. But it's alright. We start. But anyways, we start to talk like that.
Justice. You don't know justice. We serve justice to some boy, see? We have to serve juvenile large up and in charge. This is Jack Russell.
Lauderdale! Yeah!
Justice sound come again.
Here.
Justice sound come again. Oh yeah, car.
That's a true patrol. Listen carefully.
Oh, when we kill jumping.
Oh!
We like there's no big selection. Justice sound a number one.
I tell you.
Justice sound a champion. Yeah.
I will we.
Kill jumping. Black them know we good selection.
I tell you.
Justice sound a number one sound. Yeah. Justice you run the town.
Rule patrol first entry.
I'm trying to tell you this justice. At first time you come in at the place. We don't pull up through
we have to laugh. This is what we have to say. Yeah. You said my job there already. Thing just a start. Fort Lauderdale. Come and kill some. Miami artists, what tell me?
Justice run things again.
Fort Lauderdale.
Sound I gon' feel the pain.
It's something there.
Justice run things again.
You man.
We got that smile, cause we know we're winning. Tonight is a Trump fight. Justice sound number one.
Oi! NSV and Red Bull?
How we are, sir?
Not the one that make you belly foot?
Sound right to will. Idiot sound boy pack up and go chill. We have the dub plate gangster. Don't take what fit no fit with the wicked selection.
Jamaica icon, Mr. Gregory Crucial Isaacs.
Just into the king of all down song, so shall I feel. It's them found standing small, so no sound justice is afraid of. It is the rule and
All who know good reggae music, Lord of the Air. The man said me done dead already. What him gonna do? Tell him.
Justice the president.
Justice!
I want to go on. Hey, earlier on, me give away 2 cases of Canana. Energy drink, man. I talk when I'm on radio right now. Monty!
Say your sound can be like a true heart sound. All you want to talk about Load magazine. True heart come to kill with no Load magazine. Machine to your head and she got him squeeze. Do it! So jump and sound. No, true heart for you. And everything you done is symmetry.
Big up my birthday, Colin Roach. Inside the house, respect you, respect Hannah. You see, little while me give him a Gregory. Why not try? Don't you know who I am? Lord of the Air. Let me introduce myself to you.
Just to the bed. One time to nine. So I don't know it.
Lord of the Air.
Easy justice. True heart conquers heart of a lion.
This is true heart sound. I'm on Colin Wilson.
Easy Colin Roach.
True heart, mean by only true heart. That means tell you. True heart, let's do that song. Ready, set, go.
Big up Joe Vibes, my birthday. He's playing a lot of College Roach, the singer, my friend. Big up my artist too. But him can't frighten me with College Roach. College Roach, I'm an artist. Behave himself, Joe One. Behave himself. Listen, me Lord of the Air.
Justice, we kill them sound.
Listen up, College Roach song. College Roach. Tell your friend, College Roach. What am I saying? That's a non-plug.
can't tell you when not to pull up. Anyway, Monty.
True heart sound. Each of us large of yourself. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. I'm gonna tell them verse. Now when you kill themselves from deep down in my soul, I'm losing all control. Then I can't fight this feeling. It's alright. A soul never died tonight. The feeling can hold me tight. I'm for your girl, them feelings to try it. True heart being nice. Right now a song while I'm a losing life. Get them up just
Good tune, true vibes. Yeah man, we love reggae music and big up each and everyone that is here supporting reggae music. That's what I'm asking. Justice inside the building tonight is not gonna be normal. Frankie Dancehall Paul, Everton Blender, step up.
Testing fears. Frankie Dancehall Paul, Everton Blender, no justice, don't worry yourself fears. Without no fear and no tears, Blender. Let me not tell you, man, Frankie Paul, Everton Blender, man. I'm blessed love, man. See? Ooh,
What you do to me, Elder?
like worries in the dance, worries tonight.
Just be a strong man, brother.
Worries,
Be a strong man.
worries in the dance,
Yeah.
worries they are just this killer sound. Worries, and if it's hard and want, then we got it. Don't they style just this, yes we have it. And we will murder
Frankie Paul,
night and day.
Everton Blender.
Fast, fast, say,
Lord of the Year.
this sound, and the rolling sound, just this sound. Walk up the day, so bring the fleshy conqueror.
Do me a favor, man. Just catch the bass when me and play and leave it alone. We're good.
Yeah. What's your Monty? Take it away.
Soundboy, we're taking to court for crimes of idiot tune. Dig up True Heart. I'm a Benjamin Monty. True to this. Oh, naughty. Some white devil True Heart sound. Play this stuff. Tomboy, you was badly beaten, killed by Monty. But that night, I read someone searching for a dog that wasn't I. We reached the dance, we got inside. The hand of justice shall preside over this dance. The trial shall begin. And I'm gonna tell the judge, watch it. Some boy, you was inside the closet while reminding me own business. True heart, not a perfect stranger.
I'm laugh off of that one, the selector. I'm laugh off of that one.
Yo,
Justice
big up
again.
True Heart.
Jacksonville, yo.
Loving
Gemini.
vibes, entertainment. For Lord of the Year, can you tell him something for me, please? Tell him this for me.
Dig it up, somebody. Hear what I say, man.
Stanley and the Thermite.
I just is not the number one song today.
Let him know.
It ain't sound of where they go.
Who more reggae music?
Dig it up, somebody.
Shut up.
I just is not the number one song
I
today.
don't say two guys there.
It's a play.
Lord of the Year.
I say yeah.
Lord of the Year.
I just is
Sequence. Got True Heart.
dig it up, somebody.
Choo choo. Choo choo. What is it? What the?
One love, I want to them.
Yo, that tell you, we love the energy. Love the energy.
Now that we found dubs, what are we gonna do?
True
Heart believe. Now that we found dubs, what are we gonna do? Believe. Now that we found dubs, what are we gonna do? Believe. Now that we found dubs, what are we gonna do? With it, true and a shot, 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 shot sound boy all over the place.
Big up True Heart again. You have a question though. Who will find love with? Father Alexis or Einstein? What you say? I know you. You have to take for yourself. You don't know how we find love with. You don't know that, you know. Kill me and kill people. Big up all of my friends that I'm going to see over the years. Big up all Sound Clash fanatics inside the building. And I come here to come find our love with nobody. Big up a virgin, Grandsman, real general over there, so you see. Big up the general. All who know good reggae music, come back to your memories.
Gemini Rotti.
Somebody gonna die.
Want it. Not tell you. What a man to squeeze. Don't squeeze. Right now, man, I tell you. I love the energy. 107 Justice Sound. 107 man to Juan. Alright. Easy. Yeah, man. Go on easy, sir. Take it. Take it.
What you want sound this thing? DJ Monty! You know what's going on? Yeah. You know when I feel like a ram belly? They will put on the rhythm, I have some boy and do things different to them. And Demos! Hey Monty, you want to do them stuff? Sound I got get murder. I'm pissed off ripping them, mugging and kissing and doing some things we never heard of. Yeah, murder. And I'll be wishing for the day that they will be missing from out of the world, yeah. Not gonna murder them. Man, I know Richie, you're not give a Nicky, and I say, see me girl, yeah. When murder, you listen to her, then you're not going to murder. Remember, so I don't know them, not normal somebody. Them no take talk and say yes from nobody. When they sound this way, you know them have a berry. Send them to the market, send them to the city, where you know send through all sound and rubber dub sound.
Big up True Voice, True Heart. For real, man. You get one. Yeah, man, you might try hard. In one, man. I go to you, man. What? Two more. Huh? One go on. One of that song. They might say, let's say I got another song to kill after this song.
Oh, what I say?
You know, some work with the people. Anything they say. You see what I say? All right. Who love good reggae music?
I must run cool tight. Michael Rose, a Grammy kid there. You see it? Run the track.
Better be a strong man. Better be a strong. Big up DJ Park. Culture. What a lot of you.
Shine eyes, someone can't test the justice. Justice.
Oh, them people. Security. Yo, what up? I'll show them some. What up? Calm down. Security, come clear the back security. Yeah, what I'm going on right now. Justice. You're big in the place. Monty, you're big in the place. But Monty have a flight to catch to New York. So right now, Monty are going to play him final show. And then, Yo, let's stop confusing the thing, man. Monty have a flight to catch. Hold on. Oh, them are cursed. Watch your profanity, don't curse. This is what I say. Respect on the big people. Scamadaya. Scamadaya. The man saying you have flight, the cage. I don't believe him.
Run him around. runway.
Like Martin.
Run in my runway.
Run him around.
Alright.
A lot of the other people say run him around.
Yeah.
A lot of the people have sense in them. No.
And Calvin Bucko.
Yo, it can't check justice.
Calvin Bucko.
Here what we are going to do. Here what we are going to tell you.
Some of this justice get killed. You might not joke, but I'm telling you.
One that catch you fly. One that catch you fly, true. One that catch you fly. Tell him.
Sound boy, won't you go?
Justice to president, the real president. What?
Run it again. I blast you. I blast you.
Yo, hold on.
Blast you.
Yo, the man said flight cancer. Man said flight cancer.
I want to dance. Scammer! FBI!
The man said flight cancer.
FBI!
They said jump to the northeast. Monty, where you find
Love the man. But don't get too friendly.
Liquor final.
I hear the sound now, but that's all. I know what you 6 nights when my son come and dance around, come and shake off the man. But don't get too friendly, cause he's just a common mango trying to come into a East Indian mango tree. And it's different strokes, a different folks. Use a different strokes, so go and find your folks. You don't belong in the dance hall with decent sounds. And we come, the man called City Melody team called the champion. Come again, the champion. Come again, and we don't stop. Come again. City Melody, step up.
Are you I-Star or closer?
Yeah, move on, so you're the promoter. Hold on. Oh! I tell the people them to scam and die. I'm finding guilty.
Trick them and try, trick the justice.
So what we are going to do now? Eh? What have we going to bury him? Eh? Bury him! I don't want to say bury him, say bury him! Bury him! For Lauderdale! How we bury him now?
Hey, Mr. Undertaker, build him a coffin. I know that's a mistake. Make them two.
One for too hard, one for diamond.
One for them selector, one for them George Party. Can't you see that justice is taking over? Taking over.
Big up all our superstars. Adam Rush, Lance Mark, Coach Respect, DJ Paul, Police Culture. For Lauderdale, make them know. Respect and honor, man. Big up my virgin, true heart. Respect and honor. My brother, maximum respect. Every time.
Yeah, man, make some nice justice, man. Listen, I listen to the man they say on YouTube. I listen to the man, even the man them whole playlist when the man them play as a little boy listening to reggae music. So make some nice justice, man. Let me tell you something, man. Reggae music is about love. And all we have to spread the love. It doesn't matter we clash each other, it's a fun thing. But remember, you know, it's a lovely, wonderful gathering here tonight. And trust me, we can't have this in New York, you know. Remember that, you know. Justice, big up yourself, my brother.
Yeah. Come on, place. Right now we have I-Star part of it.
Please do not stop. Come on, like Drake. Get away. Get away. It was a crowded night. I flashed like this. As the music touched down in the low, bouncing into the song was
tune.
Go on, go on.
How will I try though?
But we know the orders now. But it's a one tune, my brethren. One tune. Okay. Just show me everything. Well, anyway, your people, I'm still here. One song gone and then give it to me another one. So here we go. You see, we have love the people them from your heart. Now play that song. Yo, now hear it over there. Let it go. I'm not trusting for a night, you know.
That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right.
Earlier on. Here we go on. People ever keep one eye on it. Keep one eye on it. Here we go on. From the heart for the people.
Justice is the best. Massive successor. Respect to Gemini and Twin. Let it go selector. Justice shall kill as long as he plays. As long as he plays. Some shall die. Some shall die. When not Justice sound. Original Oyster, alongside DJ Monster, DJ Dre and the old culture. Flipping Mike Tainer, lock up no, let it flow. Sweet reggae, so this is a song, I Star Sound Proverb. This is a song, outdoor time proverb. Hey, so don't get what over song.
Believe say you're tough. If you have confidence, man, yeah, man, it's a must. You have to believe say you're tough to survive this here. This one me answer. Real get to you. Bless up on yourself. What is the last artist that dropped out of reggae music? Who?
Eddie Fitzroy. Eddie Fitzroy.
Justice.
Eddie Fitzroy.
Now that's the boy, the biggest sound in the world. Justice, man.
You know the people over there, so you man.
Again, I'm a veteran. Kill song from 110. I start. Me up. Russia.
Yo, you see me? From me a youth, me a kill some. Yeah. It's not sound, yeah. Believe in it. high school we go. Want to know. From my heart! Lord of you! Good night!
Justice! Step up!
Clear the way! Clear the way! Clear the blood! Whatever I do! Whatever I do!
Monka father Jadu one called Killer Dre. Jonah Monster, you don't know the thing Monster, so I Freddy Pandey. Hey, John!
John!
On the corner, you know what I know for the man, no something like what on the corner. No, I do my know what
This
you
is-
you know something on the corner.
The place get hot now!
Justice! Oh God, yes. 96 degrees, justice in the days of the real hard, Son is that I am Bushman representing the I-Star. Young John, go and big myself in there, done me, you know. Oh, 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 hey. Yeah, man, play all them jump and some boy, you know. Oh, darling. I-Star. We shoot from afar, you know. Oh, we gonna buy a week sound. Yes, I didn't
Let him get in power. Let him get in power. Foundation!
Justice to President, the real president. Don't call I-Star I-Star music.
I-Star is not the sailoring. Just nothing cause baby stand. You have no good, no faults. I ain't got no cigarette, but I got a few hours of slaughtering style. I got 90 big.
That man I used to sing with Bob Marley.
Champion song called Justice. Justice come be around this your dance hall. Justice and boy, justice come be kill them all. I'm saying champion justice come be kill the sound boy. Kill them dead for them friend. Champion justice come be kill them.
They don't think you can't find on June.
I get right up, push your face down the light. Keep up up over standing tonight. I-Star sound, you are gonna kill them tonight. I-Star sound, when you've been through it and battle. And somebody
Yo.
Big tune.
Yo. What? Oh. Police come. What that has to do with me? Well, you're too coward.
the boy them get caught in a death trap.
Too coward. The boy play a little culture, the coward. And I come tell Mr. Babylon there. Justice is here, boy.
Alright, one throw. You take one.
Grants, man.
tell him, say the president I go there in at all. Eh? What am I feeling? People, forgive me. Yo, wait there. When I hear grand finale, Lord of the love him.
Grand selector coming on, we up on the guy who's a champion, so come kill him this year. And where them a go do now? No boy run away now. Better pop up and leave now.
Yo!
I said, where them a go do now? Up on them box, them a pray now. No boy run away now.
Good night!
Trouble again. I just kiss in the area. Murder again. A sound boy get turned away.
Justice, it's a pleasure having you here tonight, my brother.
Fort Lauderdale, it's been a pleasure being here tonight, working for y'all. Respect and honor. Over 10 years, I haven't been in Fort Lauderdale. Tonight is a joy to be here tonight. You can follow me on YouTube or SoundCloud. Big up iStar Sound and big up True Heart Sound. Father Lex, respect and honor. And each and every one who come out to support this event, my brother, respect and honor.
Right now, this is Bunny Rocks from Third World say. This is Justice. And them run things right now, road boy. All them other sound boys. Skiddly bump, skiddly bay. Them dead. Hey. Whoa, 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 yeah. Reggae ambassador. Whoa, 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 yeah. Justice the reggae ambassador. Whoa, 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 yeah. Justice the reggae ambassador. Them run things out. Whoa, 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 yeah. Justice the reggae ambassador. Trust me, listen. Them play it fast and them play it slow. They take the music everywhere they go. I want the whole wide world to know. Whoa, 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 yeah. Justice the reggae ambassador. That's right. Whoa, 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 yeah. Justice the reggae ambassador. Oh Lord, and hey. Them come from country and them come from town. They play the music if I'm all around. They take it high and they take it low. Justice, I want the world to know. Whoa, 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 yeah. Justice the reggae ambassador. Oh Lord, and whoa, 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 yeah. Justice the reggae ambassador. Check this out. Diddly doops, doodla doops, doobay. Diddly doodly doodly doop, doobay day. Justice make the music play. That's all Bunny Rocks got to say.
Come again.
Here.
Justice sound come again. Oh yeah, come.
Thompson Tune Patrol. Listen carefully.
When we kill jump on.
Oh!
We like this long big selection. Justice sound a number one.
I tell you.
Justice sound a champion. Yeah.
And when we
Kill jump on. Black number we good selection.
I tell you.
Justice sound a number one song. Yeah. Justice she runs it on.
Tune Patrol first entry.
I'm trying to tell you this, Justice. The first time you come in the place, we don't pull up through the
we have to laugh, it's what we have to say. Yeah.
The man said me done dead already. What I gonna do? Tell him.
Justice the president.
Justice!
I want to go on. give away 2 cases of Canana, energy drink, man. I talk when I'm on radio right now, you know. Mantic!
Say your sound can be like a true heart sound. All you want to talk about Lord magazine, yeah. True heart comforting with no Lord magazine. Machine to your head and she got him squeeze. Do it, so jump and sound. No, true heart for you. And everything you done is symmetry.
Big up my brethren, Colin Roach. Inside your house, respect you, respect Hannah. You see, look while me give him a great
Lord, I thank you, Jah, for justice on that place for me. And I thank you for my fans and family. I thank you for the roots reality, yeah, yeah. And Jah, I wanna thank you for all you say or do. Yes, I thank you for the justice sound so true. I wanna thank you, Lord, from the depth of my heart. I thank you, Lord, I thank you, Jah, for just
Every song got a sketch, you hear that? Up, Mother Road, with Diamond.
Alright.
bless up Fort Lauderdale, man. Them said some clash and go on. I don't know why we should have started. I give the elder the respect. But it is alright. We start. But anyways, we start it off like that.
Justice. You don't know justice. We serve justice to some boy, see? We don't serve juvenile large up in charge. This is Jack Russell.
Lauderdale! Yeah! You said my job there already. Thing just a start. Fort Lauderdale! Come and kill some. Miami artist, what tell me?
Justice run things again.
Fort Lauderdale!
Sound I go feel the pain.
It's something there.
Justice run things again.
You man!
We got that smile, cause we know we're winning. Tonight is a trump fight. Justice sound
Oi! NSV and Red Bull?
How we are, sir?
Not the one to make your belly full.
Jamaica icon, Mr. Gregory Kusha Isaacs.
Just into the king of all down song, so shall I feel. It's the fault standing small, so no sound justice is afraid of. It is the rule
All who know good reggae music.
Yeah, one thing them can say about Justice Sound, man. Become innovative, always creative. Check this out. But in all things we put Jah first. Some look evil song boy, reverse. What the Justice do with them? Gonna thank you for the blessings in my life. And I thank you for the justice sound tonight. Yeah, yeah. And Jah, I wanna thank you for all you say or do. Yes, I thank you for the justice sound so true, Lord. And I thank you for the dark plates that he played. Justice rule dance all every night and day, yeah, yeah. And Jah, I wanna thank you for all you say or do. Yes, I thank you for the justice sound so true. I wanna thank you, Lord, from the depth of my heart. I thank you, Lord, I thank you, Jah, for justice on that place for me. Wanna thank you, Lord, from the depth of my